We just kicked off our Q3 2024 earnings report. And so here's a quick recap of what our leadership shared, what happened in quarter three, and what's to be expected. Tamir Poleg, Real's chairman and CEO, communicated his excitement by saying Real delivered another exceptional quarter underpinned by industry leading growth and innovation. He said that our technology leadership was on full display at our recent Rise 2024 conference with the official launch of Real Wallet, our first fintech product, and the announcement of Leo AI for clients. So these innovations reflect our ongoing commitment to creating a seamless, technology first real estate experience that empowers both agents and clients. Real Wallet is just rolling out now. There's different features that are being offered to agents in America right now. And here in Canada, we actually have a line of credit that's already implemented and we can access right now just by going within our app on our phones, on our computers. We go to our Real Wallet and we can see how much is available if needed as a line of credit, and we can have it sent to us very, very quickly. Now, Real's president, Sharon Saratza, he recognized how resilient we are as a company right now. When you take into account what's happening in the industry, what's happening in real estate, 2024 has not been a great year for real estate as a whole. Quarter three has not been a great year, but what's been happening within Real is what's actually kind of special. So Sharon said that even with current market challenges, Real's ability to attract high-performing agents highlights the strength of our value prop. Our focus on providing agents with world-class tools, support, and training, evidenced by our preparation for the recent NAR practice changes, ensures that they can navigate shifts in the industry and grow their business with confidence. So, in a time when you look at agent count within other brokerages, which are all trickling downwards as a whole, there could be some exceptions, but all the data that I've seen is agent counts are trickling down. Real is one that is still exploding in growth. Michelle Ressler is Real's CFO, and she summed up our strategic approach. She said our strong top and bottom line performance for this quarter reflects a balanced approach of disciplined control and strategic investments in high impact areas. We remain focused on executing our value creation strategy and building our recent momentum as we prepare for an even stronger 2025. Now, Real has been recognized also within the industry by Inman and by Real Estate News. Inman's recent article was titled "The Real Brokerage Posts Revenue Gains as Recruitment Soars in Quarter 3." So over 2,000 agents were actually added to the brokerage in Quarter 3. And then Real Estate News website, their article was entitled "Real Continues Its Focus on What We Can Control." So here are some of the numbers of what Q3 actually did look like. Year over year increase in revenue increased 74%. Year over year increase in gross profit increased 71%. Year over year increase in agent count increased 79%. The year over year increase in value of closed transactions was 14.4 billion, which is up 78% from last year. And then the year over year increase in number of closed transactions was up 76%. So strong numbers that we see happening in quarter three. Again, in a quarter that as a whole within real estate was a slower quarter. Transaction count was down. So why is Real able to have so many more transactions and have to have so much more activity? Well, it's because more and more people, more and more agents are seeing the value prop that Real offers and are joining, thus bringing more and more transactions to the company. And this is being reflected within our stock price as well. So this is in US dollars. Right now we're at $5.72. We see that last year, so we go back a year or so, we were hovering around $1.38, $1.40, $1.50, and then things started really ticking up. Now, within the last 4 months or so, we've been hovering right around 575 to 650 at its peak or so has been the hovering range over the past few months. So it'll be interesting to see what Q4 looks like and of course next year. The overall sentiment for real estate activity in 2025 is generally a positive one. It's not going to be gangbusters by any means, I don't feel, but I do feel it'll be stronger than this year. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. So again, I'm Josh Wood with Real Broker. I'm here in BC, Canada. If you're thinking about joining Real, if you're looking for a sponsor or for a co-sponsor, I'd be happy to hop on a chat with you and see if it would be a good fit for you or not. My contact information is all below.